Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Full Stack Live. I am Shubham and today I am starting a complete new playlist on system designing. So the very important question is why system design? I would say why not? System designing is an art of designing highly scalable system. It is a skill of designing architecture, interfaces and components for a system that can handle millions of requests and does not explode. Think of the system like Netflix, YouTube, Uber, Anthropic AI, OpenAI, and many more. Imagine the number of requests they are handling daily and globally. For example, Netflix streams around 1 billion hours of daily content globally. Uber handles 15 millions of ride requests. YouTube handles enormous amount of videos but still delivers your requirements within seconds. Isn't this fascinating? And these are not just impressive numbers, but they represent real engineering challenges. System designing is what which makes these experiences possible. Think about this. Why does Netflix does not lag or buffer when 10 million people hit the play button at the same time? Why Uber matches with your drivers within minutes even at the search period? It's all system designing, guys. And mastering system designing doesn't just makes you a better software engineer, but it makes you indispensable. And it is the highly renowned skill set in technical interviews. So no matter what kind of company you are targeting, either a globally well-known company or a high growth startup, man, system designing is a mandatory skill set. And in this AI era, writing code is no longer a biggest challenge, but designing a highly scalable system that can serve millions of requests and does not explode is still a challenge. And earlier you start, faster you level up. Because company doesn't just pay you more for knowing system design, but they also offer you ownership. Ownership of the products, platforms, and teams all comes in handy. So no matter what kind of role you are in software development, you are an undergraduate or a software engineer, full stack developer, front end, back end, or an LLM engineer, or an AI engineer, or even a super AI engineer, does not matter. You need to know system designing. And let me tell you guys, there are ton of resources. They're expensive and high quality courses, YouTube videos, blogs and articles, but there is always something missing. There is always a small gap. Either the content is not technically deep or they are lacking the fundamentals. I myself have struggled a lot, scrolled 100 plus hours on the internet, connecting dots, moving here and there, finding the loose points, and finally getting confused. So here I am. I am curating the best possible course of system designing on planet. This is not going to be another playlist on the YouTube. I'll promise you the most in-depth and updated content on internet. So this is I'll give you a roadmap of the playlist I have designed. So I have divided the playlist into four sections of phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 5. So phase 1 starts the fundamentals. So here we'll discuss about what is system design, how does internet works, how to approach a system designing problems, some fundamentals, some terminologies, some theorems, and then we'll move ahead to phase 2, which is core building blocks. So we cannot directly design a system without knowing what to use in those design, right? So these building blocks are very important and we'll cover everything in detail like load balancers, caching, messaging queues, proxies, everything. And the phase 3 will discuss about some more advanced concepts like microservices, event driven architectures, distributed caching, and many more. And the phase 4 will finally solve real problems. We'll design real systems like Netflix, YouTube, WhatsApp, Uber, and we'll try to add as many problems as we can. And the phase 5 will be reviewing some of the research papers and most well-known articles. So this is all about the course roadmap, guys. I hope you like it. So let's get started. Let's catch up in the next video. Thanks. Bye.